Hello, my name is Valentino Hernando Samar Matakena. I am from University AI. My name number is 211-419-0012. My major is accounting. My subject is English for academic specific purpose. My lecturer is Dr. Budiantoro MA. Today my topic is balance sheet. The balance sheet report as of a given point in time the result of a business asset, its obligation or liabilities, and the residual ownership claims against its result owner equity. By analyzing the relationship among these items, investor, creditor, and other can assess a firm's liquidity. Example is the ability to meet short-term obligation and solvency include its ability to pay a current and a long-term debt as they consume. The balance sheet also shows the composition of asset and liability, the relative proportion of debt and equity financing and how much of firm earning have been retained in the business. Balance sheet especially when compared over time with additional data provide a great deal of useful information. This interest is analyzing the financial well-being of a company of special interest both creditor and investor. In analyzing the balance sheet is the company's financial stability. Concept of balance sheet. Balance sheet in case of a non-trading concern is prepared in the usual way and contains particular of our asset and liability, the concern or institution on the date on which it is prepared. The excess asset of liability is termed as a capital fund and general fund. The capital fund is made up of excess of income over the expenditure and other income or surplus which might have been capitalized by institution from time to time. Sometimes to balance sheet may to be prepared. One balance sheet in the beginning of the account bear to the certain amount of capital fund in the beginning of the accounting year, and the balance sheet at the end of the accounting year to show the financial position of the institution as on the date. Element of the balance sheet. The balance sheet is the main financial report prepared company accountant. It offers one of the best overall views of your business is financial situation. The three major elements of the balance sheet are asset, liability, and owner's equity. The statement show asset on the left and liability equity on the right. It follows basic equation: asset equal liability plus owner's equity. Asset are the resources that a business uses to operate its business, such as a cash, inventory, and land and buildings. And equipment. Essentially, assets are any item of value owned or controlled by the business that contribute toward generating revenue. Assets are categories as either current or non-current asset. Current assets are items of value that are expected to be consumed or converted into the cash within the next 12 months. Example include cash inventory that is turning over regularly and accounts receivable. Non-current assets are not expected to be consumed or converted into cash within the next 12 months. Example include assets that the business would generally keep for more than 1 year, such as the plant and equipment, cars, and building. Liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligation or a debt of the business include and claim of the creditors have on the business is resource such as the account payable, bank overdraft, provision for employer, annual leave, long service, tax liability. Loans payable essentially liability are amount on by the business external parties. Liability are categorized as either current or non-current liability. Current liability are expected to be paid within the next 12 months and include the creditor account payable, inventory, purchase of a draft, short-term loans, and a credit or fraud debt. Non-current liability are not expected to be settled within the next 12 months and include the mortgage on the building and equipment long-term loans. Owners is equity. Owners is equity is the residual interest in the asset of a business after liability are deducted. It is the net worth of a business and equal the difference between asset and liability. Equity represents the amount belonging to the owner once of all financial obligations have been met. Equity includes the initial and ongoing investment are made by the owners. Retained earning or accumulated loss and reserve capital is any cash or asset to the owner has contributed to the business. Retained earning are any profit that are reinvested in the business. Form of the balance sheet. The form of the balance sheet presentation varies in practice. Its form may be influenced by the nature and the size of the business, by the character of the business property requirement set by a regulatory body or by a display preference in presenting care and concept. The balance sheet is prepared is one of two basic form. One account form with asset being reported on the left hand side, liability and owners. Equity is on the right side, or the report form with asset, liability and owners equity section appearing in the vertical arrangement. Balance sheet change. At the moment an entity begins its financial status can be recorded or on a balance sheet from that time on an event occur that change the number on the first balance sheet and the accountant report this transaction is accordance with the concept given earlier. It's a balance sheet so the financial condition of the entity or as of the date it was prepared after giving effect to all of these things. Although in a practice, balance sheet is prepared only at a described interval. In a learning of accounting process, it is useful to consider the things one by one. This makes it possible to affect individual even without getting entangled with the mechanisms used to record this transaction. Comprehension exercise A. State whether each of one statement is true or false. One, the financial statement shows the result of the firm over a specific time period. Time is equal to balance sheet. Two, net income is the result of the balance sheet reporting revenue or the ledger than operating expense. Three, for the media, every competitive method must be followed by the balance sheet it produced. Four, if the balance sheet and income statement are non-articulate, they are linked together mathematically without any rules. And these are only a few examples of accounting standards that emphasize the effect of the transaction of the income statement to the exclusion of their impact on the balance sheet. B. Indicate the best answer for each of the following questions. 1A. Balance sheet does not A. Report the asset and claim an enterprise to is a specific moment in time. B. Have to counterbalancing section. C. So the financial status of the enterprise. D. Present revenue and expense for enterprise. E. None of the above. 2. The balance sheet shows A. The cash flow of the business. B. The financial position of the business. C. The financial performance of the business. D. The financial performance and the financial position of the business. 3. The owner equity section of the balance contains two major components. A. Common stock and additional paid in a capital. B. Paid in a capital and retained earnings. C. Common stock and retained earnings. D. Net income and dividend. E. Additional paid in a capital and net income. For the balance sheet is sometimes referred to as the A. Statement of the financial position. B. The statement of the liability. C. The statement of the change in the financial position. D. Statement of the current affairs. E. None above. 5. The time frame associated with the balance sheet is A. The point in time in the past. B. The 1 year period of time. C. A single date in the future. D. Function. The information included in it. E. 2-year comparative of period time. D. Translate the following Divided into parts in the financial accounting, a balance sheet or statement of financial position is a summary of the financial balance of a corporation and business partnership or corporation or other business organizations such as LLC and LLP asset. Liability and ownership equity are listed of a specific date such as the end of financial year. A balance sheet is often described as a snapshot of a company's financial condition. Of the three basic financial statements, the balance sheet is the only statement which applies to a single point in a time of the business calendar year. A standard company balance sheet has a three-part: asset, liability, and ownership equity. The main category of asset usually listed first, and typically in order of the liquidity asset are for the liability. The difference between the asset and the liability is known as the equity of the net asset or the net worth or a capital of the company, and according to the accounting equation, net worth must equal asset minus liability, or another way to look at the balance sheet equation is the total asset equals liability plus owner is equity. Looking at the equation in this way, so how assets were financed either by the borrowing money liability or by using the owner is money, owner is or a shareholder equity. Balance sheets are usually presented with the asset in one section and liability and a net worth in the other section, with the two section balance sheet. A business operating entirely in a cash measure it profits by withdrawing the entire the bank balance at that of the end period. Plus, in the case in the hand, however, many businesses are not paid immediately. They build up inventories of a goods and they can acquire a building of an equipment. In another word, business have an asset and they cannot have, even if they want to immediately turn this into the cash and the end of the each period. Often of this business owe money to suppliers and tax to authority, and the property do not withdraw their original capital and profit at the end of each period. In other words, business also have a liability even the possible part of the foreign comes and what the municipal provide. So this is a presentation about balance sheet. Hope you enjoy my presentation. Sorry, maybe I said the wrong word or anything. Thank you for watching my video.